Hello! So today we are going to be making finger puppets with a pipe cleaner. So your first step is you're going to start by wrapping your pipe cleaner around your finger 3 to 4 times. You want to leave a bit more than half of your pipe cleaner unwrapped because that's going to be your ears. Now you're going to twist your straight pipe cleaner however you want in big, small, weird, wacky loops, whatever you want it to look like, because those are your ears. Now you're going to hot glue your pom-pom to the middle of your ears because this is your head. It also helps to stabilize your puppet. Now glue your googly eyes to the head as well. Be careful because the hot glue will be hot. Now just take those extra strands of hot glue off. You can add things if you want. You can draw on it. You can add hair, whatever you want to do. But your puppet is all finished now. You can place it on your finger and have a great time. Thanks for watching.